Let's talk Valentine's Day. Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Clutch. Today I'm going to do a Dollar Tree Valentine's Day project. A few years ago I went to Dollar Tree and bought these 3 wooden hearts, and my intention was to do them all differently. I was going to do 3 different versions for Valentine's Day, but like all kinds of things happened, so that did not. So I'm going to do it this year. And I also have this wooden XOXO that is also from the Dollar Tree. And I bought these little styrofoam balls, and we're going to turn that into a Valentine's Day decoration. I'm going to take the quick and easy route and take these outside and spray paint them red. I have some leftover spray paint from another project, so it will be perfect. This is the basis of our project, and I'm going to glue this on here, but first I want to glitter this up. And I'm going to take some of my Mod Podge, put it in a cup, and then I'm going to add some extra fine disco glitter, and then I'm going to add some red. Since there's white and pink in there too, why not add a little chunky pink and chunky white? It's pretty mixed in there. I'm going to take a combo of my glue, my ultimate glue, and my hot glue. So I just want that to kind of hold it in place while the other glue dries for a more permanent bond. That looks pretty good. I'm going to squish it down. Now I'm going to take the excess glue that I have on here off so I don't end up gluing it to something else by mistake. Now what I'm going to do is take a paintbrush and just put this right on here. Doesn't have to be that thick, and it can spread out any way it wants to. And that Mod Podge will dry clear. I have a little glue off to the side, and that's clear drying glue. I added some to some of the edges where the XO doesn't fully touch the heart below it, just so that it gives it a little extra support. So that's what this white stuff is. Now I have my bag of balls here, and all I'm gonna do is dip one of them and stick it right up in there. And they're different sizes, obviously the different colors. So I'm gonna try to be random if I can. And you aren't gonna fill in every little piece, so don't have those high expectations. There's gonna be areas between it, and that's why I painted it red. Once it's done, just let it dry. Here it is, mostly dry. There's still some white spots, so overnight it will dry even more. But I forgot to mention, when I was doing this, I made sure not to put any of these little balls over where the holes are, because I'm reattaching my jute. Okay, and there it is. And you don't have to reattach it. You can make something longer or something with a ribbon if you would rather do that. It doesn't make any difference, but just for the purposes of this, I wanted to show it to you this way. So look how fun that turned out. We got X's and O's, and we have dimension because they're taller, they're shorter. We've got the wood covered, we've got glitter. Doesn't get better than that. So if you guys enjoyed this project, I'm sure you're gonna love this one right here. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys.